Right now, it should just, it's got to be cutting this profile out.
Oh, good. You're working it right to the last minute.
Oh, yeah. I have to.
Yeah.
We've been doing it. This thing runs probably just about every single day. Lately.
Yeah, good.
Running at night while we're gone. Set it up. And I would try to have Mitch come in and do everything, whatever you want. But I do the maintenance. I'll show you. I got a screen for maintenance on this. I mean, you can see it's fairly clean. It's not beat up.
Yeah, it looks great.
Here's your maintenance, how many hours I have on everything in here. In that box are these, we have a lot of extra stuff.
Oh, yeah,
those,
good.
they're brand spanking new. We didn't buy it from Mitch, but we got it from another company. I had them made for us for like a third of the price.
Yeah, good. We might want to know the name of that guy.
There's some brand new diamonds. This is 8, and I have set of 6. It's got 1,700 hours. I have flush cups. I have rolls. I have this goes into this one. Yeah, because that's the wire alignment. Wire alignment block.
That goes with it.
All that. The cord that goes to it. We had a short amount of wires, so instead of buying a brand new one, we just ran another wire and high wrapped it.
But it all works.
Yeah, but it works. Everything is in. I keep it pristine because less problems.
Yeah, right.
I have all sorts of stuff in here for them. Here's some bearings and stuff
Nice.
for those feed rolls. I have some ceramic rolls in here that are in condition, they're brand new. With the there's bearings in here. This is the old chopper. It comes with the machine. Yeah. We had purchased off-market one, but this is it, and it's really beat. But